This is my video on how to make Japanese tornado eggs. First of all, you want to get the pan really hot with a couple of tablespoons of oil in it. Then you want to pour 4 well scrambled eggs into the pan. And let them cook through. You don't want them to overcook, as they will become hard. You get the 2 chopsticks, either side. Just slightly early, I think. Get that on there. Now this is my first attempt at doing this, so it could go horribly wrong, but we'll see. Okay, now this looks about right. So you want to take chopsticks either end, draw them to the centre while turning. Attempt number 2 of Japanese spiral eggs. Okay, so I overcooked them slightly last time. Let's try and catch them a little bit earlier. Slowly bringing them into the centre and twisting. Like so. Very delicate. Now to serve it over our bed of jasmine rice. So as you can see, it wasn't a complete disaster. However, there are some slight holes in the top, so it's not perfect. Okay, so this is my 4th attempt at the Japanese tornado eggs. So what we want to do is pour the eggs into the pan. And then slowly bring them into the centre, twisting. This is a slow process, you've got to be very gentle as the eggs can easily split. Okay, now you just want to let that cook off for a minute. Because although you want them to be runny, you don't want them to be that runny. Okay, now I'm happy with that because you do want a slight bit of moisture on there because they are meant to be nice and soft. Then you get the rice. And you just want to just remove any residual oil. Now, just for the sake of getting mine extra neat, I'm just going to trim off the excess egg. You obviously don't have to do this bit. So you have it, the Japanese tornado egg with and then a little bit of sriracha on top. Thanks for watching my video on how to make Japanese tornado eggs.